are back at Raleigh. How fun is this? It's Friday and this is like a test day for everyone. So there's like 5 people on track all day. This is the first time I'm driving my car since doing the head gasket, so I'm hoping it goes well. However, I think there might be a few teething issues today. That's okay. Let's D. Okay, we are T-minus like 1 hour. We've already pushed someone's car off the track. Literally, he broke down just before the sweeper. I had to push his car all the way back up to the pit. Very first time I came to this track, my car died exactly there and people had to push me and my car off the track. So it's good. I feel like I'm paying the favor onward. Full circle. Bye. So this is the first time I've taken the car out since I did the head gasket. Yeah, I've just been having some issues with the ignition timing. It seems like it's running super rich and these spark plugs are fouling super quickly as well. So today I've changed them out twice already. Ignition timing has already slipped once and I've changed them once already today. But when I was out just then it was popping at like 3,500. See what condition they are in. These are all the old plugs. This spark is not the issue. Got the timing light hooked up, ready to go once it gets warm. This thing has been my best friend in the last week or so, trying to get the timing on this thing right. I'm sending the car the hardest that I ever have today, that's for sure. But I'm having a lot of fun and I'm learning to trust the car a lot, which is good. I'm really happy. I love you, car. Get out. So for this event, when I told everyone that I was driving Gravy Garage, like weekend roast, everyone kind of gave me like a double take and looked at me like, you're driving? Like you're driving the weekend roast? You got in? You're driving? So I'm definitely a bit apprehensive about this weekend. The cars that have rocked up today, they're serious cars. They're like proper scary cars that don't necessarily match my loved looking vehicle. I've had a lot of fun today in this like little test day. Tomorrow's gonna be scary. Brakes on my car are not working again. Last time this happened, I left the car for a bit and let it cool down entirely and they started working again. So I think I'll just bleed the brakes and hopefully they will start working But it looks like it's about to storm. It's all dark and cloudy. So I think it might be a case of calling it for today, considering it is like 4:30 maybe. And then tomorrow I'll have freshly bled brakes, no timing issues, and everything will be fab. You're on semis on the rear. That's scary. The weekend roast is the first official day of driving, and there are some actually insane cars here. My little SR is going really good. I'm actually starting to push the car a lot more, getting more comfy, just coming off track, and yeah, it's good. I'm having a lot of fun. Yeah, I hit limiter twice. Let's go. I realized I haven't done any check-ins at all this weekend, but it is lunchtime Saturday and I am having the best time ever. My car is actually doing really well, which is why I haven't had any check-ins because nothing's broken. Touch wood. It's been really fun. I am still yet to properly link the sweeper, but I will do it by the end of today. It'll happen. Woo! More drifting today. Hell yeah! I'm on day 3 of the weekend roast with Gravy Garage, and I'm having the best time ever. The car's actually going really well. I won't lie, I expected it to have quite a lot more teething issues than what it currently does. touch wood, but it's been a really, really good weekend. I've learned heaps. I am definitely learning to be a little bit meaner to the car, which means my driving's getting better, which is awesome. Today I would like to focus on trying to do some tandos. I haven't actually done any tandem drifting yet, so I want to try and do that and see if there's anyone that'll let me try and get a bit close to them and just follow their line. Probably won't do any like proper cool people things today. Yeah, I won't be sitting on anyone's doors, but I will be having fun. My issue with that is my car's a lot slower than everyone, so even if I do try and get close to people, they can very easily gap me. And my alignment is set up really floaty, and like I just prefer having a more floaty alignment, taking a wider line and everything. But that does mean for trying to chase people, it's very difficult because even now I just struggle to keep up with other people on the track. I just want to stay a consistent driver so people have the opportunity to chase me, and I want to take a really wide line so it's really good and easy for people to follow behind me. Yeah, I'm having the best time ever. Hopefully today goes well. Last day of drifting, which I'm so sad about, but I'm having a really good time, so that's awesome. Went out and had a couple of good laps, but my car is getting heat soaked and it's getting to like 4, 5.5, and it's just breaking up a whole lot. So when I'm out there and I'm coming up on the sweeper and there's people behind me, I'm like literally cannot go any faster. So I was trying that session to like pull the hydro super early so I could kind of back it into the sweeper. Not do like early backy, but just back it in and carry some proper speed through there. But the car was just topping out at like 4,000 revs in that last run that I did. So I was like, you know what? Let's come off track, let it cool down for a little bit and just relax for a bit. But yeah, I'll go back out soon. Hopefully car goes good. I went out that run and I came to the start line and I was like, hey, that bumper looks really similar to mine. And then I was looking at it, I was like, oh my god, that's my bumper. My bumper just came off. No idea, Randall, how it came off, but it just popped off. My ugly ass paw noodle was out on display while I did some really good runs. So yeah, I have no idea how it came off. It just must have like exited the chat. Definitely looking worse for wear. Oh my god, it's been a big day. I still haven't got it. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. It'll happen. That is me done for the day. My car is not working very well. So there's literally half an hour of track time left. And my car did so good. I'm having issues with it breaking up. So when I was doing those last runs there, trying to link everything, it was just breaking up at 5,000 RPM. So it sounded like I was hitting limiter at 5 grand. And the car was just topping out there. So not working, but I've had the best time. Thank you so much, Gravy Garage, for holding this event. I had the best time. By far the best I've ever driven. I know I say that at every event it seems, but that was the best I've ever driven. Yeah, I'm so happy with the progress I'm making with this car. Every time I drive it, I'm just getting better and better. And I had the best time ever. And there's so many cool cars here. Listen,